Did you know American Express has a bank account? It's called the Amex Rewards Checking account, and it's actually pretty great. Let me show you exactly how to open one. First, go to the American Express website. You'll want to look for the banking section. Amex offers high-yield savings accounts and rewards checking accounts with some sweet perks like no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. Once you're on the Amex banking page, click on Open an Account for the Rewards Checking account. You'll see the key benefits clearly listed: 1% APY on balances, no monthly service fees, free ATM access at over 37,000 MoneyPass ATMs, and the ability to earn membership rewards points on every purchase. Now let's start the application. You'll need your personal information handy: your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, and a valid U.S. address. Make sure all your details match what's on your government ID. Next, you'll enter your contact information, email address, and phone number. Amex will use these to send you account updates and security alerts. Use an email you check regularly. Now it's time for the financial part. You'll need to provide your employment status, annual income, and net worth. Don't worry if you're not a millionaire a circumflex euros. The account has no minimum balance requirement, so anyone can apply. You'll also need to fund your new account. You can transfer money from an existing bank account or deposit a check. The minimum initial deposit is just $1 a circumflex euros. Yes, seriously, just $1. Take a moment to review all your information. Check that your name, address, and banking details are 100% correct. A small typo could delay your account opening by days. Once you submit, Amex will verify your identity. In most cases, you'll get approved instantly. Your debit card will arrive in 5 to 7 business days, but you can start using your account immediately through the Amex mobile app. And that's it. You now have an American Express bank account. Link it to your Amex credit cards, set up direct deposit, and start earning those membership rewards points. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Amex tips. See you in the next one.